Okay, good morning everyone. Guys, can you hearing me, please? First,
Yes.
Yes.
okay, thank you. Sir, yesterday we started our demo sessions. Okay, in our demo session, simply we completed, okay, before going to learning complete Python real-time project. And we require some prerequisites are, core Python concepts are required. From core Python, compulsory we need to cover variables, operators, control statements, collection like list, set, dictionaries, and next one arrays concept and oops concept like class, object, inheritance, method overloading, method overriding concept, and this thing we'll see one by one. Don't worry about it. The next to developing our web-based application from Python, we are going to using Django framework. And along with Django, we are going to using Flask and REST API also to developing our REST API application. And to store our data permanently in our application, then we are going to learning databases concept. But if you want to learn database concept in database, if you want to store, manipulate, manage your data, and then we are going to using here SQL programming language. It is called structured query language. Okay, the next we started our module, our course contains there in module one, types of software companies and types of project, and types of jobs and interview process. And today we'll see this complete part one by one, sir. And later we'll go with our module two, okay, real-time Java project. So before going to talking about a real-time Java project, we'll go with our core Java concept. Now today I am going to focusing on module one. Okay, it is very important. So before starting our course, first you can understand the types of companies, which what type of companies are there, and so which company can do what kind of project and types of projects. Okay, and who will do the such kind of projects and types of jobs and the interview process. What are the interview process? We'll see one by one, sir. Okay. Okay, are you following me, everyone? Need our response, sir? Please, need our response, please. Guys, please. Sir, can you hearing me?
Yes, we are.
So now, sir, module one, I am going to focusing. So here, what's the software industries? Okay, software industries. Software industries, sir. Okay, very important. Guys, basically, so in that first topic is what? Types of software companies. Types of software companies. So types of software companies. Types of software companies. So in that, the first one is what's that? No, product based. Very important. Product based. Basically, software companies are three types. Sir. In that, the first one is what? Products based companies. Product based companies. The second one is okay, service based companies. Service based companies. So as a beginner, you must be understand before going to joining into the company, sir. What is the first one? Product based companies. Second one is service based companies. And third one is nothing but a outsourcing companies, sir. Outsourcing companies. Outsourcing companies. Then we'll talk about one by one. So what is a product-based company? In product-based company, who will can handle, and what is service-based companies, and what is the outsourcing companies? We'll discuss one by one, my friends. So now I'm coming from first one, sir. Here, product-based companies. Product-based companies. Simple, sir. Okay. Product-based companies, what will do? Directly, they can develop the project, and they can develop the softwares and sell into the market. So they are going to developing their product or software in their own ideology. So in product-based company, okay, don't ask any client requirement. So they can develop their project in their own ideology, and after complete development, directly sell into the application into the market. Into the market. Simple, sir. Here I am giving product-based companies here will develop, okay, will develop, okay, the project are softwares, products, software products, and will, okay, will, okay, sell to the, sell to the customers, 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 okay, in the market, in the market. Guys, are you following me? Everyone, need your response, please. So, Sudhir,
Yes.
Rajshekhar, Sajid, please. Okay, here, what is the product-based company, sir? Simple. These companies, what will do? They can develop their softwares, their own ideology, and even they won't ask any requirement to the client, sir. They can develop the product and sell into the market directly into the companies. Suppose I am coming one point, sir. Antivirus. Once they develop the antivirus software, okay, they won't ask any requirements, sir. Directly they can develop and sell into the market. And such kind of companies, what we call, sir, product-based companies. Suppose here I am giving some example, we will get more clarity. Microsoft. Microsoft is a product-based companies. Suppose, nowadays Microsoft developing what we call, sir, Windows operating systems. But while developing Windows operating system, okay, they are not asking your requirement. Okay, not only Windows, okay, they have so many, okay, softwares that they are developing. The next ones are, okay, Google company. Okay, Google company. So, in Google, they are developing browsers, and, any some okay, add-ons, plugins also they are developing. And directly they are going to selling into the product. The next one, Amazon. What we call, Amazon. Amazon also what we consider product-based company. The next one is a Oracle, the Samsung, okay, Samsung, okay, then Dell, okay, then HP, okay, HP, okay, etc. These are the best example for what we call our product-based company. So guys, these all companies what will do? Okay, they can develop their product, they can develop their application in their own ideology, and after complete development, and that software they are going to releasing into the market, and directly they are going to selling their project into the customer. This is what we call, sir, product-based companies. Simply, I given the product-based companies. The next one, second one is very, very important. I'm talking about service-based companies, sir. Guys, when you're talking about service-based companies, here, every service-based companies develop the project based on client requirements. Suppose today I'm going to starting one new institute, sir. Suppose if I want to provide services to my students, so what we require? Okay, I need to add employees. Okay, I want to add employee means what? I am going to hiring the employees here. Okay, and if I want to start my class, I require one LMS. NMS portal is required. So if you want to arrange all those things, what I will do? Now I required one software. That software I am not going to develop it. So if you want to develop that such kind of software, okay, as a client, I'm going to providing, giving some requirement to one software company. And based on my requirements, software company start to develop one software. Means based on my requirement, they are going to providing services. Such type of companies, what we call, are service-based companies. Service-based companies. Coming to the point, sir. here will in service-based company will develop will will develop the applications will develop the applications or softwares develop the application or softwares projects software projects projects based on client requirements. Very, very important. Client requirements. Client requirements. This is what we call service-based companies. Suppose I'm giving some example. TCS is a service-based company. Okay, Infosys is a service-based company, sir. Okay, Tech M, Tech Mahindra is a service-based company. Okay, Delight. Okay, guys. Okay, Delight. Okay, service-based company. Cognizant is a service-based company. Capgemini. Okay, what we call, sir? Okay, Capgemini is a service-based company. And now what we call HCL. HCL. Okay, like this, these all are what we call, okay, service-based companies. Guys, understand, okay, even you can go with TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, and this company, what will do, sir? Okay, they can take a requirement from the client and based on client requirement, and they can start development the application. So compulsory, okay, these companies gather the data from the client. Based on client requirement, they can start development their own. So they can start a development of application, and such kind of companies, what we call, sir, service-based companies. Clear my point? Please need your response.
Yes.
Abhijit, Rajshekhar, Sajid, please. Guys, are you following me? Sudhir?
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, yeah, we are
Yes.
following.
Yes. Rajshekhar, are you following me? Please need your response, sir. Okay, this is what we call service-based companies. The third one, sir, outsourcing companies. Outsourcing companies. Guys, understand. You know, outsourcing company means what? Okay, these companies what will do? What will do? Okay, actually, these companies always depends on service-based companies. Service-based companies means what? Okay, they can find the source. Means these companies what will do? Okay, they can hire the employees. They can hire the employees, and these companies provide by the salaries. But you guys are not working for this company, sir. Okay, what will do these companies? Okay, these companies sell employees to other companies. So I'm coming to the point. What happens? The outsourcing companies will, okay, it means what? Will send okay, resource. Okay, will send resources. Okay, resources to the other, to the other, to the other based, okay, companies other companies, okay, based on based on demand, based on company demands, sir. Based on company demands. Suppose here I am giving one example, my friends, you will get more clarity. Okay, means what, here some giving, some the company name is what, A2, okay, HR, one company name. Okay, resource resource pal, resource pal, and service one management. Okay, service service one management, service service one, okay, MG management. So these are the some examples, sir. So what happens, sir? Actually, a resource pal is a one company. So what will do? Actually, this company is hired by you, sir. But this company not working not working their resources. You know what happened? And this company compulsory depends on our service-based companies. Even HCL also doing same things there. How outsourcing company. So actually HCL company hired by you, but sometimes HCL work for Cognizant. And such kind of companies, what we call, sir, outsourcing companies. Outsourcing companies. Come to the point. So here I'm talking about here. Okay. Suppose HCL. HCL. So HCL, actually you are the HCL employee. But in HCL, you are going to working for, Microsoft project. Okay, Microsoft project, sir. Understand? Actually, you are from which employee? HCL company employee. HCL company employee. So here HCL pay the amount to you. But your client, who your client, sir? Microsoft is nothing but your client. Means HCL also doing outsourcing project. Not only HCL, sir. Suppose, guys, okay, I'm talking about TCS. So you are the TCS employee. But TCS will work for TechM. TechM. Now what happened? TCS pay the amount to you. But your client who, sir? Tech Mahindra is nothing but your client. And this kind of means what? You are working in TCS, but project coming from Tech Mahindra. And such kind of companies, what we call, sir, outsourcing companies. Outsourcing companies. And these all are, sometimes they can pay the amount work, contract wise, and you are working based, monthly based, and project based. The cinema is different internally, but first understand what is the outsourcing companies. Simple, sir. Okay, we are working in one company, but our client is what? A different company. Such kind of companies, what we call outsourcing companies. Are you understand up to here? Please need a response, everyone. Guys, are you understand up to here, please? Types of companies.
Yes. Yes.
What is the first one, sir? What is the first company? Please need your response. Sir, please remind once. What is the first company?
Product based account.
Please, how many types of companies we have, please?
Three
Okay, what is the first one? Matadalana, please. Okay. Then I am coming, sir, here. Here I am going to highlighting one thing in outsourcing, actually. Payroll company. Guys, understand. Okay, the company, okay, which okay, given, okay, salary to us is called payroll company. Suppose, guys, you guys are working in HCL. Okay, your employee belongs to HCL, sir. Means okay, your employee belongs to HCL. HCL paying the amount to you, but internally HCL doing project to other company. So simple, the company, the company, okay, okay, which we will work, the company for which we will work, sir. Okay, work. For example, HCL hired to us, but HCL internally working for, Microsoft, Microsoft, Microsoft products. And now, sir, okay, we are employing HCL, but internally HCL our client who, sir? Our Microsoft. We are working for Microsoft. Our client is nothing but a Microsoft. And this is what we call, sir, payroll company and client company. Understand? So these two words we can merge into outsourcing companies, sir. Outsourcing companies. Guys, are you there? Need our response, please.
So
Yes.
even
Yes. We are here.
consultancy can be outsourcing company.
What word, sir? Please.
Even consultancies.
Consultancy is not a outsourcing. Consultancy, what they will do, just they can give the some what we call they will give routes, okay, to find the jobs, right? They
Yeah, so
hide.
they are paying to us, right?
No, paying payroll company means what? Consultancy won't pay you. Consultancy, what will do? Okay, they can indicate so and so company is there. There you can go, and some hiring is going on, right? Payroll company
Mm-hmm.
means what? Where you are going to work. Suppose you are working in TCS, right?
Yeah.
Who is the paying amount to? Who is paying salary to you? TCS company only, right? Right.
Mm-hmm.
But in TCS, your client is a Capgemini. You are working for Capgemini project.
Okay.
Now tell me, who is paying the amount?
Capgemini.
No, 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 no. Sir. Capgemini pay amount to the TCS, right?
Yes.
TCS will pay you.
Okay.
Now tell me, you are employee for which company? Are you from
It's
TCS or
TC
Capgemini?
TCS.
Because of where you hide, where you are going to working, that is what payroll company. But we are going
Okay.
to working, what is the outsourcing, guys? Because even TCS also working for Microsoft, right? TCS is a one service-based company. They are going to developing the application, developing the project. But this time TCS developing, okay, what SCL project? Are you understand?
Yes.
Now your
Yes.
SCL is nothing but your client. But HCL bring, okay, requirement from others. That the cinema is secondary. But who is your client now? HCL is nothing but your client, right?
Yes.
Where you are going to working and that company pay the amount. That is what payroll company. And internally, as the same company, they can develop their own project and sometimes they can develop other company products also. When they take other company project, now other company is nothing but your company client. Are you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Guys, please need your response. This is clarity is required because of we started Python real-time project.
So
Consultancies
why-
are, consultancy are service companies. Sir, different types of consultancies are there. I'm not sure consultancy companies are outsourcing companies. Okay.
no, why
Sometimes the
I'm saying
consultancy cheat
is,
you also, right?
yeah. So why I'm saying is, in here, I mean, in US, usually when we work under the consultancy, for example, I'm working for the client as a TCS. So TCS
Okay.
usually pays to consultancy. Consultancy will pay to me. So in here, that is a process which we are working on it. So it's both in the both ways. Like they will provide us a job as well as they will be handling, a pay as well. That's the reason I was
Okay.
asking. Yeah, yeah,
Understand who are going to paying. That is what your payroll company, right?
yes,
And
yes,
where you are going to working. So same, suppose what you said, I understand. Suppose your consultancy paying you, but
yes,
internally same consultancy bringing product from other company, right?
yes. That's true.
Other company is
Yeah.
nothing but your client
Hmm.
company.
Yeah.
So here consultancy is behave like a mediator.
Exactly.
Is a mediator. Like
Hmm.
they are indirectly what they are doing. They are like doing brokeraging only
Yeah. Yeah.
in mass word. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But in industry, no one can say consultancy. Consultancy always consult to the companies, and they hire the employees and they send to them the companies, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And this is what we call, sir, our company story. The next one, sir, the next one very important. Okay. What is next part here? You know, coming to the point. Okay, types of software company. The next one, sir, types of projects. What we call, sir, types of projects. Okay, this is very important. And the second part is what? Types of projects. Types of projects. Guys, understand. Okay, once we entered into the company, once we entered to the companies, basically we have a three types of projects, sir. In that, first one is nothing but a scratch. Okay. Okay, scratch development. Scratch development projects rarely will become, sir. Okay, rarely will become. The second one is what? Maintenance projects. Maintenance or support. Maintenance or support projects. Support projects. And third one is migration projects. Migration projects. Okay. In real world, in companies, they are going developing three types of projects. What is the first one? Scratch development projects, maintenance or support projects, and third one is what? Migration project. Then we'll go with one by one, sir. One by one. Sir, what is the scratch development project, sir? Most of the, okay, startup companies will do this kind of project, sir. Means what they will do? They can take client requirement. Okay, client requirement clearly, and they can read they can so understand the complete project analysis, and they can start developing the project from the scratch, sir. From zero level they can start. Means what? Every scratch basis, okay, scratch develop project, okay, as a developer, the company, they are going developing complete front end part, back end part, and database. Everything they are going developing in scratch development project. So simple thing here I'm giving, sir. Okay, the project, which which we are developing, from from okay, from beginners, very beginners, very beginners is called scratch development, sir. Scratch development means everything we are going to developing from starting to end part. Starting to end part, sir. Okay, starting to end parts, right? Okay, but if you want to develop, scratch development, okay, compulsory we need knowledge, sir. Means, what happens, sir? Here, a lot of, okay, learning scope will be available here because of, okay, as a fresher, once you went into the startup company, sir. Suppose you are started journey in as a developer. Okay, as a developer, as a fresher, sir, here we have a chance to learn many things because of, you only here are developing front end part, back end part, and databases. Means what? We only developing the complete UI part. We only rating the complete backend part, and we are designing our HTML data schemas. And while developing our application as a beginner, and we have a chance to learn each and every tool also. So rarely will become, but and in Scratch development we have a scope. Okay, we have a scope to learn each and everything. So some rarely will become. So from 100 project, okay, 2 or 3% will become scratch development, sir. So what is the benefit of scratch development? Okay, lot of learning scope. Okay, learning scope. Okay, will be available in such development project. Development projects, sir. So here we have a chance to learn each and everything from the scratch. Okay. Okay. Means what? What we are learning? Simple. We only here I am giving, sir. We only gathering the data, and we only do the analysis. Okay. What we call, sir? Okay, analysis. We only do the analysis, and we only design the strips, and we only writing the code, and we only write what, doing the testing, and we only, okay, deploy the project. deploy the project. Everything doing by us only. So here we have a chance to, okay, we have a chance to learn many things, my friends. Because this is what a Scratch development project. Clear my point? Please need a response. Guys, please.
Yes.
Sudhir, Rajshekhar, Sajid,
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
please. Okay, this is a Scratch. Scratch means what? Everything we only developing from starting to ending part, sir. But as a beginner, okay, here we have a chance to learn many things, my friends. Okay, rarely will become Scratch developments. The second ones are maintenance project. Sir, nowadays, okay, most of the companies and they are hiring the employees for maintenance and support projects only. So what is the maintenance? Simple thing, sir. Okay, we are going to working, we are going to, okay, going to working for the existing projects. Okay, existing projects, sir. Existing projects means what? Companies already having a project, sir. And on this that project, sometime according to client requirement, they are going to changing their requirements. Something they are going to adding new steps, means they are going to adding new modules. If required, they are going to removing existing modules. And sometime we are going to fixing the bugs. Okay, and these things we are going to doing, sir. Means what? Here I am coming to the point. What is the first one, sir? Okay, here the first point in maintenance, what we'll do? Okay, every time changing. Okay, changing here. What they can ask it? What they can ask here? Coming to the point, changing. Okay, changing. Okay, requirements. Changing requirements. Suppose already. Suppose I am talking on things, sir. I am going with Amazon website, right? So Amazon website already exists, and in Amazon website, Amazon website, they need to add one more module is called. Suppose they want to sell what we call TV is there. They want to sell something what we call, sir, electronic also they are purchasing. Suppose electronic item is not there and they want to add, sir. Then what I will do? Already they are going to selling what clothes and mobile phones. Again, they want to purchase TVs and everything, sir. Means what? On existing product, they are going to adding new requirements. Suppose I am going with banking sector. State Bank of India is there. Okay, SBI, what they are doing? Okay, they are going to giving they are giving loan services and home loans and vehicle loans also. Suddenly, they can start it to personal loan also. Before they don't have a personal loan requirement. Before what loans they are providing? Just home loans and other loans, vehicle loans they are providing. Now they are going to adding personal loans. Here personal loan is nothing but a new model. Means what we are doing? An existing project we are going to adding, okay, new requirements. New requirement, changing existing project with new requirement. That is what maintenance. This is the first one, sir. That is also according to client requirement. Client requirement. The second one, sir. Second one. Okay, second one. And new enhancement. New enhancement, sir. New enhancement. Suppose suppose they are going to using existing programming language or something. They are going to using Python, and they want to add new, okay, new requirements by using the new another programming language. Then we are going to add in the new enhancements. Okay, then third one is very important: bug fixing. Bug fixing, sir, because of while we are running our application, basically we will get the errors. Okay, bug fixing compulsory, bugs will become. So bug fixing, sir. Okay, this is what. And here bug fixing also we are developing the level 1 employee, level 2 employee, and level 3 employee, sir. So here we have a chances: level 1, level 2. Level 1 is nothing but he's a good employee. Level 2 is nothing but a second grade target. Okay, and based on their rating, they will give the assignments. Right? So simple. What is a maintenance and support project? already projects are working, sir. And in that project, if they want to client, if the client they asking any new requirements, adding new requirements or any new enhancement, and if any bugs are there, and to do those things, here employees are working. This is what we call, sir, maintenance or support projects. Are you understand? Please read your response.
Yes.
Guys, understand?
Yes.
Please need your response.
Yes.
So here points are change request. Okay, change request means I am giving the 3 points means, okay, means based on client requirements. Based on client requirements. Okay, so we need to change. We need to change existing functionality with new ones. Existing functionality. Existing functionalities in our project. Please understand. So what we are doing, sir, changing means what? Okay, existing functionality changing by us. That is what we call changing the requirements. The next ones are new enhancement. New enhancement. New enhancements means, okay, means adding new functionality. Adding new functionality. Adding new functionality in the existing project. Okay, existing project. That is what new enhancement. The next third one is what? Bug fixing. So while we are going to running our application, if any bugs will become, who will solve, sir? Developer only. Okay, bug fixing. Bug fixing means, okay, bug fixing means the issues, okay, the issues occurring, in the code, or in the application, sir. So these are the things we can do in our maintenance project. Clear my point up to here? Need a response? Sudhir, Rohit, Rajshekhar, Karthik, please guys, need your voice once.
Yes.
Please need your response. The next one, sir. Next one, third one is what? What is third project here? Everyone? What is third one, sir?
Migration project.
Migration project. Migration projects. Guys, understand, migration means upgrading the project. Suppose, guys, now I'm talking about, which application? Zomato. Now, Zomato is what? Zomato version is what? Something called 2.0. 2.0. And in 2.0, that version, that application running with 3 to 4 modules. Then what happens, sir? Okay, what they are doing? They are going to adding, okay, they are going to adding new modules with new programming languages. So actually, Zomato first time they developed with Java programming language. Java programming language means what? By using Java JDK 1.11. JDK 1.11. The same application they want to okay, change in JDK 21. JDK 1.21. Means here what we are doing, sir? Technology upgrading and architecture upgrading, at the same time version upgrading, and such kind of project what we call migration projects, sir. The present my project running with suppose Java programming language. Now from Java to I want to change my complete project into Python. Then And my architecture is what, sir? Something monolithic architecture. Single folder system is working. Now same project I want design with in microservices. Now my project running with JDK 1.7. Then same project I want to develop with migrate with JDK 1.22 or 21. Suppose in your project, if you do this kind of changes, then what we call migration project. Are you understand? Guys, understand here? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Migration means what? Okay, migration project. Migration project means, okay, project means what we call, sir? Upgrading. Okay, upgrading the projects. Upgrading the projects. So what we are upgrading, sir? First point. Okay, technology. What we call, sir? Technologies upgrading. Technologies upgrading. Please understand. Suppose current my application running with mainframes. Now same project I want to develop with a Java programming language, or we are from Python programming language, sir. First migration. The second one is what? Okay, architecture. Very, very important. Basically, nowadays is came microservices, sir. Actually. Okay, nowadays came microservices. Okay, before all the application, okay, all the application running with monolithic only. Monolithic means what? Single folder system. And here what I am doing, sir? Actually, my application in monolithic application. And now from monolithic to I want to change my application in microservices. Then only we can upgrade the technology. Monolithic application always in sync, always okay, only one language only used. But if you go with microservices, we can easily convert from one language to the another language. The third one, very, very important, sir. And version upgrade. Okay, upgrade version upgrade. Suppose now I am going to using Python. Suppose my project developed with Python 2.x version, sir. Now the current version is what, sir? Python 3.x version. Like this, okay, my existing project, to the existing project we are going to changing the technology and changing the architecture, changing the version. And this kind of project, what we call, sir, what we call and migration project. Even here also, while you are going to changing it, here also we have a level 1 employee, level 2 employee, and level 3 employee, sir. And these persons will take responsibility before going to do migrate your project. Yes or no? Okay, backend development, like this we are going to developing. Clear my point? Sir, are you understand this one? Types of projects.
Yes.
Please need our response, sir. Are you understand?
Yes, yes.
The next one, sir, and very, very important, interview process. Interview process. Okay, interview process, process in IT companies. IT companies, sir. So, guys, I know, okay, types of software industries and types of project I understand. But, sir, if I want to go to the companies, what are the interview process in product-based company, in service-based company, in sourcing company? Okay, what kind of topics we need to cover? Yes or no? Now I am talking about the product-based company, sir. Product-based companies interview process. Guys, product-based companies, okay, product-based companies will will conduct conduct interview, okay, with following topics, sir. Just I am giving topics, sir. Very understand following topics. Very, very important. The first one, every product-based company, they focus on data structure concepts. Data structure concepts. The next one, they are going to focus in algorithms, sir. You know algorithms, please? Guys, are you there, please?
Yes.
algorithms. The next DS, data structures and algorithm. The next one, they are focusing on design patterns. Design patterns. The next one, okay, and system design patterns. System design patterns. System design pattern. And they can focus on problem solving, sir. They're focusing on problem solving. I'm talking about product-based companies, sir. Okay, product-based problem solving. And, and testing means what? Testing means what? They can focus on case studies. Okay, these are the topics always they covered while they are taking the interview in product-based companies. Sir, what is the salary range? Sir, as a beginner, if you went to do product-based company, minimum they can provide 5 lakhs per annum, sir. But sir, I want to go with experience. Compulsory for your project, they can give the what minimum. Suppose if you go with 3 years experience, now your salary is 12 lakhs per annum. Suppose you have a 5 years experience, sir. Now your salary is what? 18 lakhs per annum. Okay, means depends on your experience, sir. This is what product-based company's salary story. The next I'm talking about, service-based companies interview questions. And this is required to us, right? Interview process and topics. And these are very, very important because we came for service-based companies and outsourcing companies only. Guys, and we are from Python programming language. And if you go with, service-based outsourcing, compulsory, they can focus on core Python concepts. In core Python, they can focus on, operators, and, control statements. Very, very important. Control statements, and, collections. In collection, what we have, sir? Here we have a list, set, and dictionaries. These are the topics they will ask. And they can focus on OOPS concept also. The next one, they can focus on, our Django. So Django for what, sir? Web-based application development. Based application development. And they will ask you, sir, what is the Django programming folder structure? How many files are required? What is the purpose of views? What is the purpose of model? What is the ORM tool here? Okay, what is the purpose of setting that py file? Okay, everything they will ask you and Django. Okay, and where you can save your .html file. Okay, what is the purpose of HTML file? What is the purpose of CSS file? Yes or no? And these things they definitely will ask you, my friends. And next, after Django, and guys, here I'm talking about microservices. Then we are talking about Django REST API applications. Here, this is the framework to developing microservices applications. Microservices application into Django. And sir, nowadays Django is nothing but a little bit of heavy-weighted framework, and later they bring what's a Flask. Even you don't have a Django REST API, no problem, sir. Better to go with Flask and Fast API. Flask and Fast API. These are the framework also used to developing our microservices applications. Microservices applications. Compulsory, we need to focus on this one, sir. And after that, here I'm talking about only back-end part. Now I'm talking about the front-end part also. In front-end, we need to focus on HTML. Okay, focus on HTML and CSS and a little bit of JavaScript. And if plus we are talking about the React JS also. So compulsory, you need knowledge end to end. Okay, on this topic, then only you will get the job in service-based companies and outsourcing companies. And as a beginner, sir, how much I will get the salary? Sir, okay, as a fresher, they will give 3 lakhs per annum. Suppose you have a 3 to 4 years of experience, sir, automatically, okay, 3 years means what? Again, they will give the 8 lakhs per annum. So I'm not sure, but depends on company. Suppose you have a, 5 years of company, they will give the 12 lakhs per annum. So this is the salary ranges in our service-based companies. Clear my point? Please need our response. Guys, are you there or not?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
So
yeah, got it.
Yes.
So this is the
Got it.
story about our first module, sir. Types of software companies, types of projects, and types of jobs, and interview process. Are you understand?
Yes.
So module one successfully is completed, sir. And guys, if you want to learn, and now we know what is the companies and what they are providing, and slowly, and we'll start our tomorrow onwards. Slowly, we'll go with our core Python. In core Python, so what is the purpose of Python and where we can use, and by using Python, what kind of softwares we are developing, and how to install Python in your PC, and slowly we'll go with one by one, sir. Okay, once we understand our core Python concept, later we'll go with Django, sir. When Django will be completed, okay, while we are teaching Django, at the same time I will teach you HTML, JavaScript also. Once it is completed, slowly we'll go with these tools. Yes or no? Okay, if I go with, and within 15 days, I'll explain you Git and GitHub also. Because of which task assignment we are doing, each and every task compulsory we need to update into our GitHub repository. Understand?
Yep, yep.
So please, and sir, from my side, do you have any query, any questions regarding this session, please? Karthik, please. I'm coming from Sudhir. Okay.
No, we
Please
are
feel
good.
free, guys. Don't hesitate.
Hi everyone, can you please WhatsApp on our admin number so that we will share the recording to you? I messaged the admin number and chat box.
So guys, everyone, please copy this admin number. Okay. And if you have any queries, and you can share with them. Karthik, Indu, Rohit Prasad, Sajid, Shiva, Sudhir, Rajshekar Reddy garu. Sir, do you have any query, please?
No.
Sajid, what happened? Why you are saying no thanks? Okay. Rajshekar garu, clear, please.
Yes అండి.
Any queries, please?
లేదు లేదు.
Okay. Telugu, you are right?
యా యా.
Karthik,
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Rohit Prasad, మీకు ఓకేనా? Rohit.
Yeah, yeah, clear, sir. Clear.
Sajid garu,
Today's class is clear.
Sajid, are you understand? Shiva, what about you? Shiva.
I have a just
Uh,
I need some clarification.
what?
The thing is, I am not into a pure Python. I am into some kind of operations, and somehow I came to know. Okay, one of my friend just gave this contact, and I just joined a few minutes back. My
Yes.
concern is all about. I am planning to migrate into a data engineering role. And somehow I need the basic Python. Whatever you covered out of that, just a core Python I might need it. So is there
Yes,
any?
yes.
So just I am interested to learn a core Python only. So regarding that, may I know the duration and
No,
the
no
pay
problem.
structure?
You can join to the session, Shiva, no problem. Okay, I'll covered core Python completely. Don't worry. In core Python, variables, data types, list, set, dictionaries, Python functions like lambda, okay, and generators, and after that we are talking about complete OOPS concept. Everything will be covered.
Hmm.
You can join it,
Okay.
right?
Yes, I can join. And regarding that, jury, because yes, where there are some other things even I need to focus like the SQL and Spark things. So the reason I'm just checking about the duration and
For
fee
core
structure,
Python,
can
it
I?
will it will take
Uh,
45 days time.
okay, 45 days time. Okay,
45 days because of every day we are taking 1.5 hour time session. That's why it will take
okay,
45 days.
okay. And regarding the fee structure, can I connect offline or is it okay to discuss it
This is
now?
online batch, not offline. Are you interested to
I
come
mean,
offline?
okay. No, no. I'm just about to ask you. Fee structure things. Can I connect offline? Means can I call
You can
separately?
contact to admin, right?
Okay, okay. Oh,
Okay,
yes.
please
Okay,
save
sure.
this number.
Okay.
Please go with this number. Understand, Shiva?
Okay, sure. Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay, right. Karthik, any queries, please? నేను ఎందుకు ఊరికే అడుగుతున్నానంటే ఇప్పుడు మీ
No,
సైడ్
no.
కూడా నాకు కొంచెం క్లారిటీ కావాలి కదండి. అందరు తెలుగేనా బాబు? అలా తెలుగు ప్లీజ్
Telugu, sir.
మాట్లాడండి. ఫీల్ ఫ్రీ. ఇప్పుడు మీ బాధలు చెప్పుకుంటే కదా వాట్ నేను చెప్పేది. నేను చెప్పేది మీకు అర్థమైందా క్లియర్గా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఓకే. Sir, every developer, every beginner, you must be required this knowledge. Why I'm telling you understand. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు బ్లైండ్గా మనం ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళలేం కదా. క్లారిటీ అనేది కావాలన్నా వద్దా? రైట్. So if you have any doubts about duration and your fee details, please contact to this admin number, sir. Right? Guys, please everyone copy this
Yeah,
admin number.
noted. Yeah, noted, sir.
Okay. Thank you. And guys, tomorrow slowly we'll start our core Java, core Python concepts one by one slowly, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I will send you these notes, don't worry. And please, thank you and have a nice day.